In this mixed media art project, inspired by the work of Yvette Cummings from her exhibition Everything Will Be Okay, we will explore patterns, collage, and color. These are the materials that you will need: 9 by 12 inch construction paper, specialty construction paper shapes, construction paper squares, glue stick, scissors, and crayons. Let's talk about patterns. A pattern is made when elements such as shapes are repeated. Patterns can be simple like this one: circle, circle, circle. They can use different shapes like this one: triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. They can also be fun like this one: dinosaur, dinosaur, butterfly, dinosaur, dinosaur, butterfly. Let's talk about patterns with colors. Here we have the same circle pattern but with colors added: blue, pink, blue. Next we have the same triangle and square pattern, but now the triangles are yellow and the squares are green. Patterns can use more than 2 colors. In the dinosaur and butterfly pattern, the color pattern is red, orange, purple, red, orange, purple. As long as shape, color, or shape and color are repeating, a pattern is being made. It's your turn to try. Can you make a pattern? Using your circles and flowers and the 2 small pieces of construction paper, begin to cut and arrange your pattern. Once you have your pattern arranged, open your glue stick and apply glue to each piece of your pattern. Then press each piece back down onto the large piece of construction paper with your fingers until all pieces are secure. And just like that, your base pattern is finished. Grab your container of crayons and begin coloring on top of your base pattern. See if you can make another pattern on top of this one using your crayons. And now you have created a mixed media masterpiece. Thanks for watching! Stay tuned for additional information.